He just loves that. Yes, he does. It's a cherry. Yum 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 yum. Oh, yes, just right for the camera. You're so cute. Yum yum. It's like candy, huh? It's like candy for rats. Yum 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 yum. No worries, there's no pit in there for you. That'd be bad. That'd be bad, huh? Num num. Let's see what Sammy's doing. I'm not taking it! You like it too? You're doing the same thing you did with bananas. You're just like, yes, this is the camera. Where'd the cherry go? Where'd it go? You're like not holding it with your hands. You're just... You're so cute. Look at your butt. Look at that rat butt. What are you doing? Oh, are you into the camera? Here, eat your cherry. Oh, what? Is it too much? Is one big one too much, huh? Is that what it is? Are you gonna try and steal it? Was too much cherry for you? Yeah, you just need just a little bit. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Just a little bit. I'll save them for you. I'll save them for the rats. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, what? You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're all over the place, though. Oh, just my fat. Oh, goodness. And does my little fat. What is it? Can I eat it? No, you can't eat this. No, you can't eat this. You're gonna try, though. Poke! Poke it! Poke the fat!